Hey guys, welcome back again. In case you're new here, my name is Ziprongera. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Corner, and in this video we are going to make homemade hot dogs in less than 5 minutes. So first of all, we are going to cook our Viennas in hot oil in medium heat until they are golden brown.
Like a river in the dark, you stare me right, you lit the spark, and I can feel you tearing down every wall. Come one, come all.
While the Viennas are cooking, we are going to cut our onions in rings and in thick slices.
Your soft red lips and gentle tease, you must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate.
We are going to cook the onions in the same pan that we used to cook the Viennas, and you are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to our onions to bring out the concept of caramelized onions, and you are going to cook them until tender. As our onions are cooking, we are going to make our sauce in a separate bowl. Our sauce contains of mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and cayenne powder to bring out the sour concept. Make sure that the tomato sauce is more compared to the mayonnaise and stir.
Come all, everything.
During assembling, you can assemble the way you want, but as you're going to start Viennas, then the onion rings, then the sauce. And yeah, that's the end of the video. So you're going to serve with a drink of your choice, and as we are going to eat with a cold drink. And thank you for watching, thank you for staying tuned. Until next time, bye bye. Comment down on what other recipes I should try out, and what do you add to your hot dogs that makes them special to you. Till next time, bye bye.